Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to reset 2014 Jeep Patriot oil light. Turn the ignition to on without starting the engine and press, and hold the trip reset button firmly. Keep holding until the oil light blinks, then release and switch the ignition off and on again to confirm the light is gone. I'll walk you through troubleshooting if the light persists and when to seek professional service. Before you reset, verify the oil change is complete and the oil level is correct. Use the recommended oil grade and install a fresh filter to avoid damage. If any oil leaks, low pressure, or dashboard warnings persist, do not reset. Address the root cause first. I'll explain common checks and simple fixes that prevent repeated warnings and keep your Jeep running reliably between services. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: grab The Simple Path to Wealth, a book that can change how you think about money, and it pairs well with saving for car maintenance. It's a great read whether you're budgeting for oil changes or planning big repairs. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. If the oil light won't reset, try the procedure again while ensuring the trip button contacts are clean. Inspect the battery and fuses, since low voltage or blown fuses can block resets. Use an OBD-ROMAN 2 scanner to read codes if the light returns, as codes point to sensor or electrical faults. When in doubt, get a professional diagnostic to prevent engine damage and ensure proper safety on the road.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.